is that?
Maybe little.
It sure is, Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtle what? It's a puzzle?
Yes.
You put it together?
Yes.
That's cool, man. Wow, that's the picture it's gonna make when it's done?
Yes.
Woohoo.
It's done.
Oh, almost got that piece. All right, man.
It's done.
And then that piece.
Okay. It's not done.
Push it down. Gotta line it up. Almost. Yeah, man. Good job. Woohoo! Look at this. All done.
We are done.
Ha! The last one. Let's see if you open it up.
Oh, it's a brand new car.
It's a brand new car.
Wow! Woohoo!
Well, you're gonna be going places with that, bud.
What you think, man?
A car.
What you want to do with it?
And you drive it fast.
Okay.
You're gonna drive it.
Yeah, take the whole thing.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. That's to push the button.
Mine.
Wait. Okay, ready? Go.
Yes, I did.
Under the car. Oops. All right. Yeah. Let me turn with this. Turn around. Good job. Yeah, back up. You got it. Hey, stop. You in the mud. Don't go in the mud, man. Good job. Come back over here. That's the, stop right there. Good job. Back up. Let me go back. They could go back. Go back. I got him a weak version, so it's not too powerful, but at least I know if he likes it, and if I spent my money well, he likes it, so.